Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you about the Markovnic rule. Markovnic rule, which is there for the unsymmetrical alkanes. Now, first we will look forward for the statement. The statement is compulsory to by heart when an unsymmetrical reagent में कौन से आएंगे? ये देखो मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ. हाइड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड, हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड, हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड, NaOH, KOH. These are the unsymmetrical reagent is added to an unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोपीन आता है. And the negative part of the reagent is attached to that carbon atom of the double bond which carries less number of hydrogen ions. Okay, so these are the main Markovnic rule. Now let us explain this rule with the help of a given example. For example, we are having the example that is propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Now this is the propene. When propene is treated with hydrogen bromide, there is a possibilities to get two products. Now first of all you have to understand the attack of this negative reagent. According to the statement, this negative reagent will attach to that carbon atom of the double bond which carries less number of hydrogen. That means this is the carbon on which this negative reagent is going to attach. So when it is going to attach, the double bond will become single bond, and the product will, this bromine ions will transfer to this carbon atom. So then the product will become CH3 CH3, and here the bromine will attach. This is the major product. Of your formation where the double bond is break. This is known as isopropyl bromide. Now what about the minor product? अभी minor product क्या होगा? Minor product ये होगा कि here the double bond will break. Along with that, this hydrogen ions will also add up to the product. क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे भी देख सकते हो आप, यहाँ से डबल बॉन्ड हटाने के बाद ये हाइड्रोजन आयन इस कार्बन के ऊपर आ गया, इसीलिए यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे 3 हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पे 3 हाइड्रोजन और सिंगल हाइड्रोजन बीच में. सेम प्रोसेस हियर ऑल्सो. हियर द हाइड्रोजन विल ट्राई टू अटैच and the product will become N-propyl bromide. This is your minor product. Okay, now why it is so minor product? क्योंकि यहाँ पे देख सकते हो फर्स्ट जो मेजर प्रोडक्ट बना उस पर जो कार्बन एटम है वो सिंगल हाइड्रोजन कैरी कर रहा है और जिसके ऊपर नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द रिएजेंट इज अटैच. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज़ अ मेजर प्रोडक्ट. फिर माइनर प्रोडक्ट क्यों कह रहा है? क्योंकि दोनों कार्बन एटम्स पे इक्वल हाइड्रोजन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, and from that one carbon atom is selected to get attached with the negative part of the reagent. Because of that it is minor in nature. So like this way many examples are there to set up for the findings of Markovnic rule. Now let us take one more example for calculating the Markovnic rule balancing nature. Now when we want to have the, for example, when we have CH3 CH double bond CH2, when it is treated with hydrogen chloride, again same here, propene when treated with hydrogen chloride, again the expected is that you are supposed to get one major and one minor group. Again the similar process over here, you will get the major product, that is isopropyl chloride, and the major product, we already got the major and this is the minor, that is N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride. The Markovnik's rule is only related with the negative part of the reagent to attach to that carbon atom which is having less number of hydrogen, so that the positive part of the reagent will also attach, और positive part हमेशा कार्बन को attract ही करेगा, and because of that this rule is only and only for unsymmetrical alkanes. I hope you understand the video. Thank you so much for watching it.